So, ngayon ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin yung Zoom tools. Yeah, so magtatagalog lang ako. So, sorry guys, hindi talaga ako fluent sa Tagalog kasi Bisaya po ako. So, let's go. So, first thing we gonna do, mag-o-open muna tayo ng book. So, any books na meron ka. So, gagamitin ko yung Let's Go Level 2. So, I'm going to use Microsoft Edge. So, ito yon. Okay. So, remember nyo lang, ito yung gagamitin natin para mamaya. So, let's say, mayroon akong class ngayon. So, ito yung gagamitin ko, yung book na Let's Go 4th edition. And then, after nito, balik tayo doon sa Zoom. Yeah, dito sa Zoom. Punta tayo sa Zoom. And then, now, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano. So, first, pumasok muna tayo. So, ito yung sorry guys, may nag-pop up. So, punta tayo dito. So, this is Teacher Mel is inviting you schedule. So, dito, ito yung gagamitin ko para makapasok tayo sa loob ng meeting. And then, click ko yan hanggang sa Zoom Workplace. So, hintay-hintay lang tayo. Pasok. So, ayun,
Recording in progress.
narinig nyo yun, recording process. Yeah, so, kasi need ko nang recorded sa mga classes ko. Okay, and then hindi ko na lang ipakikita yung mukha ko guys kasi nakikita nyo naman dyan. So, mas prefer ko voice lang. Okay, so guys, punta tayo dito. Walang patumpik-tumpik. Punta tayo sa share. And then now, balik tayo doon sa Microsoft Edge. So, ito yung application. So, first yung recording toolbar. Yan. Yeah, so ito yun. But punta tayo sa Microsoft Edge. So, ito yun. Yeah, so ito yun. Click and then share. So, ayan na. So, nakita natin. So, sa class, sorry. Nasasanay ako. So, guys, may nakikita kayo dito. Ito yung the Zoom tools. Zoom tools in meeting. So, wait for a moment. Babalik tayo dyan. But punta muna tayo dun sa libro. Okay, so ito yung libro. Palakihin ko lang. Okay, so yan. So, ito yung ah, mukha. Yeah, mukha na makikita nyo. Or mukha ko. Or dito rin yung makikita yung student. So, yan. Pwede kong palakihin. Pwede kong ring paliitin. So, dito guys, makikita ako at saka yung students ko. So, and then now, balik tayo dito sa Zoom tools. So, sa Zoom tools, merong audio, video, participants. So, makikita mo, chat, share. Yeah, so ito yung kanina. And then post. If you want to post the record. So, ito yon. Ito yon. Ito yung ibig kong sabihin na record sa Zoom. Kasi may recorded to. And then, annotate. So, punta tayo dito sa annotate. So, ang annotate, ito yon. So, dito natin makikita yung pen. Yeah. So, especially kung may class ka ngayon, so, yeah. So, gagamitin niyo yung pen natin. So, pen, just remember lang, guys, hindi to magpapakita yung annotate tools kung hindi mo i-click yung annotate. So, just remember lang yan. And then, guys, remember number two. Okay, so remember then na hindi ka makapag-change book pag hindi mo na-close to. So, you need to close first. And then, yan. And then now, makakapag-change book ka na. But, if you open the annotate tools, hindi ka makakapag-change book kahit ano pang gawin mo. Yeah, so now, so let's go guys. Let's talk about sa annotator tools. So first, ito yung mouse and then select. So select, ito yung nakakapag-scroll, gagamitin mo yung select kahit ano. Okay, example, this one, I write something, so I can use this one to move something. Yes, yes. Okay, now let's go to text. So text, so I'm gonna put like hello. Yes. And then this one, guys, pwede ko siyang palakihin. So punta lang ako dito. Yeah. So pwede ko siyang palakihin. Pwede ko ring ma-change yung color niya. It's white, red, something you want. What color you want. Yeah. So now, guys, pwede ko siyang i-bold. Hmm? Pwede ko siyang italic. pwede ko oh, hindi italic yung italic ha. Okay, so pwede ko rin siyang i-change ng size from 12 to 72. But I prefer to use 27. Yeah, or 36. Yes. Okay, so ganyan. And now, guys, that is the use of the text. Now, let's go tayo sa pen. So, sa pen, guys, meron ditong apat na klase. Una, yung regular na pen talaga, tsaka ito yung vanishing pen. So, what is the use of vanishing pen? So, vanishing pen, the word itself vanishing, so it means pag sulat mo, nawawala siya. Yeah. So, vanishing nga. Okay, now, punta tayo sa highlighter. So, highlighter naman, ito yung gusto mong ipakita sa students like focus this word, yan, ganyan, or sa ka-meeting mo. And next is itong smart pen. Wow, sana all my smart pen. So this is the smart pen. Yeah, so I not usually use this one kasi sometimes I confused. Yeah, so like I just wrote this like this and then it suddenly changed like oh yeah, it could be useful but hindi ko ginagamit talaga to. Okay, and next this one too, the line width, you can change its nipis. Okay, okay lang, regular, very thick, or yung graphical thick talaga. Okay, and now, so let's try. Let's try to use the one. So, balik tayo dun sa regular pen. So, ito yung pinaka-thin, which is not really, hindi ko talaga ginagamit. So, next, ito naman, ito yung ginagamit ko. And then, ito din. And next, ito yung pinakamakapal. Like sa ex mo, makapal. Char lang. Joke lang. Okay, now, punta tayo sa line. So sa line, same pa din. Dito. So, you can change this one too. But change rectangle. Yeah, so just remember lang, you can use the with. And then circle, you can circle anything. Yeah, you can use the circle. And then this one, the diamond. And then let's go to the arrow. You can use the arrow. You can use this like shaded rectangle, especially yung students mo ay like 2 to 3 years old, so you can use this one. And then you're just going to ask them like, oh, can you try to shade this? And then yeah, so yun na. And after that, meron din dito mga double arrow and then filled rectangle. So let's try the filled rectangle. So ito yun. Grabe, so pwede yan. Yan, so pwede ka dyan. So let's change to yellow now. Try natin. Yun. So yan. And then, ganyan. So, mayroon ding circle. Let's try to use another color. Oh, yan. Pwede tayo dyan. Gumawa ng kahit ano. And then, next is the diamond again. So, this is how you use the tools, the zoom tools, the annotator. And then now, punta tayo dito sa eraser. So, sa eraser, guys, pwede natin siyang okay, so eraser lang is just like one by one gagamitin mo. So it without time pa. Ang dami pang gagawin. So not like this one, the clear. So pwede mong i-clear all drawings. So clear all drawings class, ay sorry class, guys. So it means yung sinulat mo at yung sinulat ng bata dyan sa screen ay mawawala. But clear my drawings, yung sinulat mo lang or yung nilagay mo dyan sa screen. Clear viewers, this is the students or yung viewers or yung ka-meeting mo. So, I usually use all clear drawings. Yes, so that's one. So, yan guys. And then, okay, another one pa. Let's go back. So, this one guys, the zoom tool, you can put anywhere. Is it up or down? So, but yeah, so up and down. And then the annotator you can use from any sides, up, down, up, side by side if you want. And then I usually use in here. I usually yeah, I use this one here. So mas komportable ako gamitin. And then kung gusto mo hindi siya kahit anong galaw mo, pwede mo siyang i-duck tool. So, i-duck tool means kahit anong gawin mo, hindi siya pumupunta kahit saan. Babalik at babalik siya. Ano, yeah. So, andyan lang siya sa kilid. Hindi siya punta dito sa middle. Yeah. So, yan. Pwede siya malapad. I used to put here beside my, yeah, so next to my picture. Yeah, so where yeah, where can I see my face? And then ganyan lang guys. So ayun lang guys. So if meron pa kayong mga katanungan, just ask or just comment below and I will help you sa makakaya ko. Yeah, so that's it guys. So thank you so much and have a great day. So bye bye guys. Thank you. Bye.